There are so many virtues of Masjid al-Aqsa and the land of Palestine. Therefore, we believers and Muslims, we believe that the issue of Palestine is solely a religious issue for us. It is also religious for us because the people of Palestine are the Muslims and the believers. They are part of this ummah, the ummah of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, about which Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, مَثَلُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ فِي تَوَادِّهِمْ وَتَرَاحُمِهِمْ وَتَعَاطُفِهِمْ كَمَثَلِ الْجَسَدِ الْوَاحِدِ إِذَا اشْتَكَى مِنْهُ عُضْوٌ اشْتَكَى لَهُ سَائِرُ الْجَسَدِ بِالسَّهَرِ وَالْحُمَّى. The example of the believers in terms of their mutual love and affection and their connection and strong relationship amongst themselves is like a single body. إِذَا اشْتَكَى مِنْهُ عُضْوٌ اشْتَكَى لَهُ سَائِرُ الْجَسَدِ بِالسَّهَرِ وَالْحُمَّى. If one single limb or part of your body hurts, the whole body becomes restless. You cannot have sleep. You cannot go to sleep if you have a headache or if you have pain in any part of your body. The Palestinians are part of this ummah. And if a believer, if a person who claims to be Muslim and mu'min, a person who claims that he believes in Allah and Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam cannot feel the pain of the Palestinian in his heart, such person has to question his iman. Such person has to question his iman, what kind of iman he possesses and what kind of iman he holds in his heart.